하나는 가족이 몇 명이에요?
저희 가족은 5명이에요. 부모님, 남동생, 여동생이랑 같이 살아요. 스티브는요?
저는 아내와 아이가 있어요.
그러면 한국에도 친척들이 있어요?
아니에요. 친척들은 캐나다에 있어요.
Hi and welcome back to another episode of
한국남매,
Yay!
where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about everything that involves the Korean culture and customs.
Yes,
So join the family and hit that subscribe button.
please. So,
What are we doing today?
we're going to talk about family. 가족.
가족. We're talking about 가족 today,
가족.
family. And it's really important.
Right.
Especially in Korea, there's a big emphasis on family and family ties.
Right.
Right? So today we're talking about family. What would be some important vocabulary words that we need to know for a family?
아빠, 엄마, 동생, 형,
There are-
누나,
there are a lot of
언니,
words, right?
형부, 조카, 이모부,
이모부.
고모부,
And some more words.
작은 삼촌, 큰 삼촌,
큰아빠.
큰아빠, 작은아빠. So there's a lot, but you don't really have to remember all of this.
For today's purposes, let's just keep it to atomic family.
Right.
Let's just
아빠,
아빠, which is
dad,
dad, 엄마,
mom,
mom, brother. In English, we'd say, I've got a big brother or I've got a younger brother.
Younger brother.
I'm a man and I've got an older brother. What do I call my older brother?
형,
Hyung. So older brother for a man is a hyung.
형.
What about a younger brother?
남동생,
남동생. Okay, let's say I've got an older sister,
누나,
누나, and I've got a younger sister,
여동생.
여동생. Let's say you're a woman. You are a woman.
I am a woman.
You're a woman.
Yeah.
Older brother would be what? Would it be hyung?
오빠,
오빠.
So not
it
hyung.
changes. And a younger brother.
남동생.
That's the same.
That's the same. Yeah.
Okay.
남동생.
Okay. And an
네.
older sister.
언니.
언니. That changed too.
Right.
Okay. And a younger sister.
여동생. The same.
여동생. Okay.
So it's so complicated, right?
하나는 가족이 몇 명이에요?
저희 가족은 5명이에요. 부모님, 남동생, 여동생이랑 같이 살아요. 스티브는요?
저는 아내와 아이가 있어요.
그러면 한국에도 친척들이 있어요?
아니에요. 친척들은 캐나다에 있어요. 하나는 가족이 몇 명이에요?
저희 가족은 5명이에요. 부모님, 남동생, 여동생이랑 같이 살아요. 스티브는요?
저는 아내와 아이가 있어요.
그러면 한국에도 친척들이 있어요?
아니에요. 친척들은 캐나다에 있어요. How do I ask? Like, oh, how many people are in your family? Or how big is your family? How do we ask that in Korean?
가족이 몇 명이에요?
So 가족 was the family. 몇 명.
몇 명? How many?
몇. How many? 명 means people. Like
People,
it's a
yeah,
number.
yeah.
It's a word used to count people. And let's say I want to say like I have a sister or I have a brother. What's the I have? How would I make a sentence?
있어요.
있어요. I have an older brother. 형
형이 있어요.
형이 있어요.
있어요.
A younger sister. 여동생.
여동생이 있어요.
여동생이 있어요. This 있어요. Can I make that into a question?
야, 여동생이 있어요?
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's the same thing, but you just 있어요 and you like bring it up.
Right.
So
여동생이 있어요?
있어요?
Do you have younger sister?
Right. 하나는 가족이 몇 명이에요?
저희 가족은 5명이에요. 부모님, 남동생, 여동생이랑 같이 살아요. 스티브는요?
저는 아내와 아이가 있어요.
그러면 한국에도 친척들이 있어요?
아니에요. 친척들은 캐나다에 있어요. So for today, shall we call it a day? Is that good?
Yeah, that's it for
Family.
today. We hope it's not really difficult to you guys.
That wasn't hard. You can do it.
From us,
To you.
한국.
남매.
Bye bye.
열공하세요.
열공하세요.